Hey guys, happy Friday. So I am here with my good friend Lauren. So Lauren's a dear friend of mine. And we want to announce some exciting news that we have in Pilates. So we have a deal going on right now.
Yes, so with Pilates, how it normally is set up, with how our club is set up, you normally have to be a member of the club to be able to come and enjoy like all of the benefits that we really have in Pilates. And right now, we haven't ever done this before, just so you know. We kind of dug at this a little bit more for it. So it makes me really excited. But we are allowing anyone that is not a current member of the club to be able to come try Pilates. Now, we do charge for our Pilates classes, but for you to be able to test it out, we offer free classes. So you get 2 free private sessions, which are so valuable.
Like, it's unheard of, like 2 free Pilates sessions. I mean, if you were to just buy one Pilates session by itself, I mean, this is a super cool deal.
Yeah, like it's worth at least like, actually about $160 for those 2 private sessions. And like, even if you don't do Pilates with us, like the information that you learn in there in terms of technique and what you can do with your body and
breathing,
how
is
to
a big
hold
one
yourself
too.
And breathe and different things like that is so valuable. Like whether you're working out or whether you have injuries that you're trying to like address, it is so good. And like, of course I'm biased because I teach it, but I teach it because I love it and I saw the benefit before I even started into it. So
absolutely. And how long is this deal going on for anybody? Whether or not you're a member, you can get those 2 free sessions of Pilates.
You can get those anytime, those 2 free sessions, whether you're a member or not. You can get that anytime. But taking advantage of still coming like to our classes, our group classes or private sessions, where we can do a little bit of like recap type stuff. That goes through the end of December. So December 31st. So there's 2.5 months. That's a good amount of time that you can still come take advantage of it. But I would highly suggest getting on it so that you can actually get some time in here with us.
Because space is limited, so we need to be sure that you schedule it. And how does somebody go about scheduling it, Lauren?
You can just honestly call the club. If you ask for Robbie or me, I'm Lauren again, they will 100% direct you towards us so that we can get you like scheduled.
Absolutely. And we have a full-size STOTT Pilates studio here at Apple Athletic Club. We absolutely love it. You can see the reformers in the background, which is something that we'd love to jump on.
Yeah. And it is separate from everything else. Like, we kind of get a hog space a little bit. It's kind of nice.
Yes, I love that. So be sure you schedule. Oh yes, go ahead.
One other thing. We have workshops too that are going on. So we have 2 more. One is with Booty Band with Rachel on November 17th. Sorry, I have it written over there. I should have known it off the top of my head, but I don't. And we also have a foam roller class that is on December 8th. So those are free to anyone that is actually a current member or our current clients. And those are, again, like so valuable. But any of those that are coming in and like want to try it out, they're only $49, and they will be so good. The first 2 that we had, people just loved. So
yeah, so they got pretty popular pretty fast.
Oh yeah, they were full.
Sweet. So you guys, be sure you come in. Yes, be sure you come in to try STOTT Pilates. Whether or not you're a member here at Apple Athletic Club, you don't have to be. You can still come in here, try this, contact Lauren or Robbie here at Apple Athletic Club until December 31st and get those booked out and get your Pilates body.
Yes.
Yes. Thanks, guys.